Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your WordPress username and password on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account. Then go to the website's page. And next to the WordPress website that you want to change your username and password on, click on this WordPress admin button. This way, you will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard directly from your Bluehost account. Now to add to change your WordPress username and password, simply hover over users and click on add user. What we will do now is that we will create a new username or a new user on your WordPress website and then give it the administrator status and in order to delete the previous one. So my current username is Digital Builder Reviews, and I will create a new one with the username Ben. For the email address, I will use this email address. Here, instead of using this suggested password, I will use mine. You can check this box next to send the new user an email about their account. I will uncheck it. And here in the role, instead of just giving this new user a subscriber role, which is limited, I will give it an administrator role, which is the max. Now click on add user. And just like that, I've created my second username, which the same role as the previous one. Now I will log out of the first username, then log in to this new one in order to delete the original username. So I will log out from here. Then I will log in using my new username. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Make sure you are in the new username and then go back to the users page, and below the current below the old username, click on delete. Here they ask you, I think, what should be done with content owned by the first username, by the first user. Here you can select between delete all content or attribute it to the other user, which is the new username. Click on confirm deletion. And this is how to change your WordPress username and password on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.